Sky is the limit, out of my way, you can't get me down.
Alright, new battery, fixed the coil wire, busted coil wire, got the new connectors on it, and new battery,
45 minutes or so?
45 minutes, and then tighten some bolts down there to the A-arm, plug this tire. Oh, did you tighten the tire? We gotta tighten the tire.
We tightened that for sure.
The zapper has a dead battery. How exciting. There it goes. This garage is 45 minutes. This thing's good to go. Parking area. Really excited. I needed it for the winter. Yeah. Went so fast, can't even see him. Not even kinked. Oh. Just sucking it through that tube into there, out this hose. You have a clean Rhino, a hard Rhino, but a clean Rhino. There you go. That's a 212cc. Man, this thing looks good. Wow, that thing runs.